Cœur de palmier, avec Bali autrement. Agence de voyage responsable, membre du réseau Un Monde Autrement.
Belly to belly, face to face. Those eyes you take me to the start. Sweetheart, sweetheart.
Jour 34 sur l'île de Bali. Il m'arrive bien de penser de temps à autre à ce que je pourrais être en train de faire en ce moment même, à la maison. Dans un train CFF reliant Genève à Lausanne? Peut-être. Mais là, pour le moment, c'est Poutou qui me balade et qui me fait vivre Bali autrement, au plus proche de ses traditions. Poutou, c'est un ami de Madé et Wayan. Chez eux, chaque jour passe et chaque jour se ressemble. Ils vivent leur vie comme des tas d'autres familles vivent la leur, tout simplement. À quoi elle peut bien ressembler, cette vie-là ?
Selamat siang.
Apa kabar?
Kabar baik.
What are you doing?
We making the offering.
You should teach me.
Yeah, we will teach you.
Oh, you make offering too.
Yeah, all the Balini people.
I thought it was only women.
No.
Old-fashioned, only women. How can I help you to make some?
Have to make square first.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Can do now.
Langsung main.
You easier.
Okay, give me this.
Yeah.
It's not so easy to make it.
No, but the first time not too easy. After you get second, you will be fast like Balinese. This is easy.
How many offerings like this do you make every day?
25 offering.
Oh, 25.
Yeah. And then all the temple have it for our house, for our kitchen, for our gates, and all the house have it. And then the last one put the ground. Yeah. We're telling the God to protect our life and our garden.
Like a ghost on marble steps into the rain. Into the rain. You make the weight of the world feel like nothing. You make the weight of the world feel like nothing.
The first thing I've noticed when I entered in your house is how your house is built. Can you explain to me the meaning?
Dès que vous avez fait les murs pour le terrain, vous allez commencer d'abord construire le bâtiment ou bien le pavillon du nord, de l'amont.
C'est le premier.
C'est le premier.
And I'm gonna sleep in this one.
Yeah.
I feel very honored. Thank you so much. And what about the direction? Because you don't use north and south.
Because we can tell where is the sea, where is the mountain.
Et pour la maison, comme la partie l'amont, c'est considéré comme la partie de tête, et la partie l'aval, c'est considéré comme la partie du pied. Donc la tête, c'est où il y a le temple de la famille.
Ok, la tête en direction du volcan, les pieds plutôt en direction de la mer. And each Balinese family got a family temple like this one?
Yes.
Each family.
Yeah.
And how many time it takes to pray? Like 1 hour, 15 minutes?
Yeah, 20 minutes, 25.
Okay. Because you have many gods to pray. Almost 6 generations, and you live between all the members of the family. Everything's well, or sometimes arguments.
Not too bad. I mean, sometimes it's a little bit, but we can discuss, and then we are everything after that is good.
You're looking for peace all the time.
Yeah, always looking for the peace. For the welcome, we would like to serve you with our welcoming dance. We call it Panyam Brahmo dance that can to get blessing flower to you.
To suit what we feel, the colors slowly fading, seals in our ears, but we can hear now, we can hear loud and clear, bells in our stomachs, when truth is here now, we can hear loud.
Good night, Wayan.
Good night.
Good night, Made. Selamat tidur.
Selamat tidur.
Selamat mimpi manis. Faites de beaux rêves.
Fais de beaux rêves aussi. Very comfortable, actually.
Yeah, you have to hold. Yeah. Yeah. Now we go to the temple for praying after making the offering.
Too much smoke in my face.
Now we're gonna learn to make the tumayam, the poulet.
Ah, tumayam, yeah. 5 échalotes, 5 ail, curcuma, gingembre, piment rouge, tomato, macadamia, ça c'est bon. Et le sayur urab, haricots verts, pousses de soja, noix de coco, échalotes, ail, piment rouge, lemon and salt. Yeah. Okay. Let's do it.
No, try again, no problem.
And the rice coming. And I have to do like this.
Yeah.
Like that.
Make a ball.
And open your mouth.
C'est bon.
C'est bon. Ready?
Il y a encore quelques mois, je ne connaissais rien de la culture balinaise. Et voilà qu'aujourd'hui, c'est comme si je faisais un petit peu partie de la famille. Après mon départ, Madé, Wayan et leurs enfants ont repris le cours de leur vie. Chacun a retrouvé ses activités, en famille ou au sein de la communauté. Et cette sublime parenthèse balinaise, on ne l'oubliera pas. Ni eux, ni moi.
Cœur de palmier, avec Bali autrement. Agence de voyage responsable, membre du réseau Un Monde Autrement.